rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man?
It's going good.
What you running here?
I've got 6 3015R on 3 AKs at half ohm. I've got 8 6.5 Sylvester M61Es on an AAK 180x4 at 2 ohm. 4 T25 tweeters for now on another AAK AK. I think at 4 ohm, I don't remember. That's one per channel, so I think it's 4 ohm.
Oh.
And I'm CJ with Team Megahertz and Team DV.
Yes. Yes, sir. You got plenty over there.
6-order blow through. It is a little underpowered right now. I got no front port, coil rub in the back, so I'm just beating on them to get them back in place.
Okay.
It's working, but
that'll get you through the show.
It's hot in here.
Yeah, but it's hot outside today, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Need.
All that hot air is coming with it too.
I'm telling you, man.
That 19's cooling them off.
Oh yeah, keep them low notes.
Oh yeah.
You want social media anywhere they can follow you?
Our team page on Facebook, Team Megahertz, and then CJ Maynard on Facebook. And other than that, not really anywhere else.
Y'all know we're gonna tag them down, but that was good seeing you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll leave you some stickers, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.